You making muffins?
Done.
No, you gotta keep going. It's not done yet. Yeah. Who are you making muffins for? Oh, you're making Grandma muffins?
Yeah.
Oh, what about Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Up.
And Grandpa too?
Yeah.
We can all share them?
Yeah.
Okay.
A bubble.
Bubba too?
A bubble out. A bubble out. A bubble out is this. Okay?
Okay.
A bubble is this.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And up here. And you.
You wish Grandpa was here?
Huh?
You wish Grandpa was here? No, you're so
Two.
sweet. You have two grandpas? Yeah, you do.
Two
Two grandmas.
Two up.
Two grandpas, yeah?
Two daddy.
No, you have one daddy.
Daddy.
One daddy. One. You're silly.